Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I've got some brand new working codes plus for Roblox, 99 nights in the forest. Some codes can expire anytime, so make sure you watch